Hello, my name is Sama Soltani from Saif Real Estate. Today, I'm taking you through March Roseville progress. As you can see behind me, we are changing the color for the external facade. The reason that we are changing the color is because to give the more appealing and outstanding look to Roseville apartment. In addition to changing the color of exterior, we are also remodifying the facade to give Roseville a facelift. KPLC transformer has been delivered on site, and currently the last connection to the unit is ongoing. In addition to the previous amenities that the business offered, these are some amenities as well. Currently, preparation for construction of the ground and roof amenities are ongoing. Amenities to be incorporated are the ground floor are reception area, kids play area, mini market, clubhouse, co-working area, restaurant, private room or meeting room, kitchen and barber shop and salon. On the rooftop, we have yoga garden, we have barbecue area, and we shall be having hanging line section. If you notice, parking level ceiling skimming is being done. The reason that we are doing it is because to give a better look for the parking area. Roseville in total has 4 lifts. Installation of all the lifts for the whole project has been done. Tiling of the lifts is ongoing as well. After we finish tiling of the lifts, we shall wait for official commissioning of the lifts. Also, we have decided to change the color of the voids to a brighter color to bring more vibrance to the building. So as you can see, all the units for Roseville apartment, they've been done. Currently, we are doing snagging for the units, and any part of the units that require repairs, currently that's what we are doing. We are repairing them. As you can see, the Nairobi water has been connected. Now all the units has water. In addition to that, Roseville has borehole to provide water backup for the building.